IIA-CIA-Part3 real updated questions are valuable for you to study the test. Share some updated IIA-CIA-Part3 real questions here. 1. According to IIA guidance on IT, which of the following best describes a logical access control? A. Require complex passwords to be established and changed quarterly. B. Require swipe cards to control entry into secure data centers. C. Monitor access to the data center with closed-circuit camera surveillance. D. Maintain current role definitions to ensure appropriate segregation of duties. 2. Which of the following performance measures includes both profits and investment base? A. Residual income. B. A flexible budget. C. Variance analysis. D. A contribution margin income statement by segment. 3. At an organization that uses a periodic inventory system, the accountant accidentally understated the organization's beginning inventory. How would the accountant's accident impact the income statement? A. Cost of goods sold will be understated and net income will be overstated. B. Cost of goods sold will be overstated and net income will be understated. C. Cost of goods sold will be understated and there Wi-Fi be no impact on net income. D. There will be no impact on cost of goods sold and net income will be overstated. 4. With increased cybersecurity threats, which of the following should management consider to ensure that there is strong security governance in place? A. Inventory of information assets. B. Limited sharing of data files with external parties. C. Vulnerability assessment. D. Clearly defined policies. 5. Management has established a performance measurement focused on the accuracy of disbursements. The disbursement statistics, provided daily to AL accounts payable and audit staff, include details of payments stratified by amount and frequency. Which of the following is likely to be the greatest concern regarding this performance measurement? A. Articulation of the data. B. Availability of the data. C. Measurability of the data. D. Relevance of the data. 6. In accounting, which of the following statements is true regarding the terms debit and credit? A. Debit indicates the right side of an account and credit the left side. B. Debit means an increase in an account and credit means a decrease. C. Credit indicates the right side of an account and debit the left side. D. Credit means an increase in an account and debit means a decrease. 7. A manager at a publishing company received an email that appeared to be from one of her vendors with an attachment that contained malware embedded in an Excel spreadsheet. When the spreadsheet was opened, the cyber criminal was able to attack the company's network and gain access to an unpublished and highly anticipated book. Which of the following controls would be most effective to prevent such an attack? A. Monitoring network traffic. B. Using whitelists and blacklists to manage network traffic. C. Restricting access and blocking unauthorized access to the network. D. Educating employees throughout the company to recognize phishing attacks. 8. Which of the following statements is true regarding change management? A. The degree of risk associated with a proposed change determines whether the change request requires authorization. B. Program changes generally are developed and tested in the production environment. C. Changes are only required by software programs. D. To protect the production environment, changes must be managed in a repeatable, defined, and predictable manner. 9. Which of the following organization structures would most likely be able to cope with rapid changes and uncertainties? A. Decentralized. B. Centralized. C. Departmentalized. D. Tall structure. 10. An organization had a gross profit margin of 40% in year 1 and in year 2. The net profit margin was 18% in year 1 and 13% in year 2. Which of the following could be the reason for the decline in the net profit margin for year 2? A. Cost of sales increased relative to sales. B. Total sales increased relative to expenses. C. The organization had a higher dividend payout rate in year 2. D. The government increased the corporate tax rate.